Hello everyone, this is Drew for Drew Drives at Grubbs Infinity in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 Infiniti Q50 Luxe. So pretty, familiar interior with the Q50. This vehicle has 300 horsepower and it has the 3-liter engine, V6. I like this interior, nice brown color. And you also have the Bose Performance Series sound system in this car. You got the 2-screen setup over there. I believe this is the last model year for the Q50. Put the car in reverse, then you have a 360-degree camera system. It's finished in a blue color. Yep, 300 horsepower, 3-liter V6 twin-turbo engine with 295 pound-feet of torque, 7-speed automatic transmission. You have 3 years of scheduled maintenance, complimentary from Infiniti if you purchase a new Infiniti product. I like this blue color, looks pretty good. Here's your trunk. On 2023 and 2024 Q50s, you can get pretty good deals on these cars with, incentives from the manufacturer and everything. Especially the Red Sport. You can get a new 2023 or 2024 Q50 Red Sport for a pretty good price. Especially a 23 model. So if you like the Q50, you're shopping for a pre-owned Q50, you might as well just look into a new one if you can get because you can get a pretty good deal on them, and probably good, you can get a brand new car at that point. So in the Q50, yeah, it's been the same design for a long time, but at the end of the day, it is still a pretty nice car. And once again, yeah, if you get a really good price on a new one, you get a great car. It's pretty quick, it always has been. Like the Red Sport has 400 horsepower, this has 300, but this is pretty quick. Put it in sport mode, the transmission becomes a bit more engaging or responsive, and the drive becomes a bit more engaging as well. You have blind spot alert over there. You have Apple CarPlay in this vehicle as well. The seats are very comfortable. I really like these seats, and I like this interior color. You don't get paddle shifters, you have to get a Red Sport for paddle shifters. So one thing in like older Q50s, like 2014, 15, 16, etc., Red Sports and Sports and Red Sports had these really cool column mounted paddle shifters. Now on the Red Sport is mounted on the steering wheel, but it used to be this big metal shift paddles mounted, which I wish they kept because I love those. I can honestly say, like Q50s in the used market are very popular. Pre-owned like 21s, 22s, Q50s are really popular. So if you are in the market for a pre-owned Q50, you should, as I said, you should also look into getting a new 2023 or 2024. You could get a pretty good deal on it, and you could, for a little bit more maybe, but you would get a new car with 3-year maintenance, 4-year warranty. Can't beat that, And Q50s are popular in the used market, but Q60s are unbelievably popular. Q60s sell really, really fast. People really like the Q60, especially the Red Sport. Those are really hard to get, certified, and people really like these certified Q60s Red Sports and Q50 Red Sport certified pre-owned. Honestly, yeah, this is a pretty enjoyable car to drive. It's pretty quick, handles pretty well. If you want even more power, you can get a Red Sport. Braking's pretty good. Yeah, it feels pretty good. I like the steering wheel, it's a nice leather material. And so yeah, you could get a Luxe, you could get a Sensory, or a Red Sport. The Sensory has some more features, has better looking wheels. It's a bit more luxurious. I believe it gives you, yeah, it gives you a few other extra touches. And then the Red Sport is the most expensive one, with the bigger engine, Brembo brakes, all that good stuff. But yeah, I mean, honestly, overall, this is a really good daily driving car. Like it feels really comfortable in here. Like I'm telling you, these seats are really nice. They're so plush. And if you like brown interiors, you really like this brown interior. It's a nice car. It's a nice, like, it reminds me of BMW's cognac leather, which is really nice. And yeah, like, it's smooth, pretty quiet. Ate up that bump pretty well too. And then you can scroll through your menus here: driving aids, tire pressures, engine oil, range, speed. You can have the speed show up in the middle of the gauge cluster, which a lot of people like, and myself included. It's nice to be able to see the speed digitally. But yeah, overall, pretty comfortable car. Drives nice. And I like it. So yeah, my overall impressions on this car, as I said, good drive, comfortable interior, 360 camera and all that stuff. And if you like the Q50, you should definitely entertain the idea of getting a new one, you know, and trying to work that out. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So overall, thanks again for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you would like to shop a new Q50 or pre-owned Q50 or any other cool vehicle, check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below, and please consider subscribing if you enjoyed. Anyways, I'll catch you on the next video, and I'm out.